before Charlie Puth became a global pop phenomenon. He was a kid obsessed with sound, hearing melodies where others heard noise. From the start, Charlie's perfect pitch, the rare ability to identify notes instantly, set him apart. Born on December 2, 1991, in Rumson, New Jersey, Charlie grew up in a musical home. His mother, a piano teacher, introduced him to classical music early, while his father exposed him to jazz. By age 10, he was studying jazz piano, and by 12, composing his own songs. He began recording himself on a small keyboard and microphone, uploading covers and funny music videos to YouTube under the username Charlie's Vlogs. His early charm and ear for catchy melodies quickly gained attention online. In 2011, Charlie's life changed forever. He won a YouTube competition hosted by Ellen DeGeneres, performing an emotional rendition of Adele's Someone Like You. Ellen signed him to her label, giving him national exposure. Although his time on Ellen's label was brief, it opened doors. Charlie continued to produce, write, and upload, learning the ropes of the music industry from the ground up. In 2015, Charlie's breakout moment arrived when he co-wrote and performed See You Again with Wiz Khalifa for Furious 7. The tribute to Paul Walker became one of the decade's biggest hits, topping charts in over 90 countries and earning multiple Grammy nominations. The song showcased not only Charlie's emotional vocals but his incredible ability to blend pop and cinematic soul. Suddenly, he wasn't just an internet musician, he was a global star. Charlie's debut album, 9-track Mine, 2016, brought hits like One Call Away and Marvin Gaye featuring Meghan Trainor. While critics were mixed, fans loved his heartfelt melodies and vintage pop sound. His second album, Voicenotes, 2018, revealed a more mature and self-produced Charlie, funky, confident, and experimental. Songs like Attention, How Long, and The Way I Am showcased his signature mix of R&B grooves and pop polish. Beyond singing, Charlie became known for his production skills. He worked with major artists including Selena Gomez, Jason Derulo, and BTS, blending soulful harmonies with modern sound design. He often shares behind-the-scenes clips on TikTok, showing fans his creative process, layering harmonies, tuning vocals by ear, and making viral sounds from everyday noises. In 2022, Charlie released Charlie, an album that reflected his personal growth and emotional vulnerability. Songs like Left and Right, with Jungkook, and Light Switch became global hits, proving he could still surprise the world with fresh ideas. Today, Charlie Puth stands as a modern pop craftsman, an artist who bridges old-school musicianship with digital-age creativity. For Charlie Puth, music isn't just what he does, it's who he is. A reminder that in a world full of noise, one true tone can change everything.